Want to know how to scan containers with Tenable? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in under 5 minutes, and by the end, you'll understand the quick steps to scan your containers and secure your environment. Stick around because I'm also going to share how you can use Tenable for free with some exclusive bonuses. First things first, scanning containers with Tenable is an essential step in keeping your software secure. Containers, which are lightweight and portable, can easily be overlooked when it comes to security. But with Tenable's container scanning tools, you can identify vulnerabilities and misconfigurations before they become a problem. Next, you'll want to integrate your container scanning into your workflow. Tenable offers an easy-to-use solution that integrates with Docker, Kubernetes, and many CI/CD pipelines, so no matter your setup, you can get started scanning containers in minutes. With the integration, Tenable continuously checks your containers for vulnerabilities at every stage, from build to deployment. The third thing to keep in mind is that Tenable uses a thorough scanning process, checking for over 70,000 known vulnerabilities and security risks. This ensures your containers are up to date with the latest patches, reducing the risk of security breaches. This level of scanning depth is one of the reasons Tenable stands out in the container security space. Next, let's talk about how you can view your results. After scanning, Tenable provides you with detailed reports. These reports break down the vulnerabilities, giving you a severity rating and actionable recommendations to help you fix any issues quickly. You'll also be able to prioritize which vulnerabilities to address first based on a severity level, so you're not overwhelmed by the data. Now, here's something special. If you're looking for a way to scan containers more effectively, Tenable offers a comprehensive set of tools that go beyond simple vulnerability scanning. You can assess your container's compliance with industry standards like CS, PCI DSS, and more. This gives you peace of mind knowing your containers are not only secure, but also compliant. Finally, as promised, I've got something exclusive for you. You can get Tenable's full suite of features for free, including container scanning. Just check out the first link in the description below to grab this special offer, complete with bonuses that'll give you even more value. So remember, if you want to scan containers with Tenable, it's simple to set up, integrates with your workflow, and provides a comprehensive security check. And don't forget, the link in the description below gives you an extended free trial, so you can start securing your containers today without paying a cent. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to grab your free trial below and make sure you're securing your containers with Tenable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.